I wanted to show you something. I'm in Sweden now. It's a beautiful view. You can rent this house with nice view. What I wanted to show you today and share, you don't need to buy this. You don't need to keep this house for your family. Income only 2 or 3 times per year. It's stupid. Buy something, rent someone, for they pay you rent, they pay you bills, they pay you expenses, and you, with money, you can be flexible. You can be in any places when you want it. So if you buy something, buy it, rent someone, for they pay you credits, loans, bills, and what is rest money you can save. Not save because it's stupid. You storage in some place in another account. You forget about this money 1 year, and later from this house, from another house, from another property, you take money one time for a year, or maybe one time for 2 years, and invest in the big portfolio. They multiply it for 10. If it's working for you, you have one house or maybe one apartment, you rent it, it provides you with cash flow and pay it everything, you bills, expenses, and you save money. Why you don't do it second time? Why you don't do it third time? You can create it, you wealth. You can create it, invest something, and then it's provide you with cash flow. You no need to change your time for this, take it money. You don't work for this money. People who gonna live there, gonna work and provide you with money and pay you loans. How you don't understand it? This created you wealth. Long-term game, long-term game. Don't short what all people is programmed to. I wanted pay money now. They gonna pay to me now. Don't do it. If you need to do it, you must have little bit money. Go work. Go to do something what you don't like, or later this money invest in something in long term, then provide you with cash flow in the future. And then in the future, you can do what you like because you're gonna have a lot of time. When you in the beginning invest money, invest your time, invest everything in the beginning, but you think in the long term, so you can later do what you like. Your hobby, everything what you like later. So in the beginning, you must do what you don't like. See you in the next video.